different people ring the doorbell.
Ah! Let me in! Let me in, please.
Hey guys, like, let me in!
May I come in, sir? Hi.
Hi guys.
They're coming for me. Let me in! Let me in! Hello? Hello? If I have too many nose hairs, don't let me in.
Oh no, my grandkid gave me this thing called Goom. Okay, is that how you do it? I don't think it's ringing. That finger, that finger, that finger, that finger, that finger. Oh, maybe I have to do both fingers.
Oh no! Wow! Oh my gosh! Hey, please! Can you hear me?
I'm so my moves.
Sorry, I'm practicing my catwalk. Hello, 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 hello.
Okay, which side is the doorbell? Okay, so guess what? You need to give me lots of money, because like, I can mow your lawn or something for $50 at least, okay? So give me some money!
Come up here, chill.